Hey guys, Saqib here, back with another video. Huawei has recently released the Android 6.1 Marshmallow update for its previous year's budget phone, the Huawei P8 Lite.
I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S8.
The good thing about this microphone is that it has an option which allows it to connect with DSLR.
तो मेरे चैनल के फाइनली 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए हैं आफ्टर लाइक 5 years and it might seem like an insignificant number to a lot of people. Okay, like there are channels out there that have millions and millions of subscribers and a lot of them are channels that started after me, but this small number, these 10,000 subscribers really mean a lot to me because I've learned a lot from YouTube, and this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. When I started doing YouTube, I remember मैंने अपना Huawei P8 Lite होता था, like it was my first phone, और मैंने उसे somehow जुगाड़ वगैरह लगा के Android 6 Marshmallow पे अपडेट किया था, and I was really excited, so like I wanted to share that, and that's why I sort of made a video के like how to make update your Huawei P8 Lite to Android 6, क्योंकि like उस दिनों में like उन दिनों में Chinese phones को OTA updates नहीं आती थी, so I just made a video and shared it on YouTube, and suddenly after a few days, like that video had 100,000 views. I remember that I just made that video to share my excitement, and from that video एक like sort of ना community type सी बन गई थी, क्योंकि a lot of the people were contacting me. I remember मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा messages आते थे, बहुत ज़्यादा comments आते थे, people asking how you updated your phone and stuff like that. So I was sort of happy, that's why I started making more videos on the same phone, because I felt like I could share a lot of things that excited me. But shortly after, my father lost his job because of mental health issues and stuff, and suddenly I had this stress and pressure and all that, and this YouTube channel of mine suddenly became, I started thinking of it like something that would make money for me, or something, that I can use to make things better, or make our financial situation better. So that's why ekdam se mera focus, my plan for my channel and everything, it shifted ekdam me, and फिर I started making videos for views, and like I started making more and more videos, and after a while I realized कि हाँ अगर like और बड़ा होना है तो I need to improve my quality, and then फिर मैं उस side पे लग गया, and quality improve करते करते I started learning things, and I learned a lot. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, I did a lot of media and video work, and उस वजह से मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैंने सीखा, and जैसे जैसे मैं सीख रहा था, obviously my videos took a lot of time, and मेरा like channel काफ़ी ज़्यादा change होने लग गया. My quality did improve, my content might not have improved, but like काफ़ी चीज़ें मेरे channel की improve होने लग गई. My subscribers increased, obviously काफ़ी slowly, but like हाँ they did increase. कुछ videos को views भी आते थे, कुछ को नहीं आते थे, and I was just constantly pushing myself, constantly trying to make better videos to get more subscribers, get more views, get more money, and doing all of this I have learned a lot, and I think I've got a lot of opportunities because of this as well. And I think YouTube की वजह से like आज जितनी भी मेरे पास skills हैं, जो भी मैं काम वगैरह कर सकता हूँ, और like जिस भी मैं यूनिवर्सिटी वगैरह में बैठा हूँ, YouTube has a major role behind it. But recently I realized that this isn't what YouTube is for, this isn't what I should be doing, and I was very demotivated because of that. But I remember telling this to my friend, and उसे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रही थी, but basically ये scene है कि like I realized कि YouTube is YouTube, so it's more about the people who are watching the video. It's more about you guys, it's more about the people who like to watch videos, it's more about people being able to relate to a certain creator, it's more about people being able to personally connect with people. It's basically a type of a social media platform, and not something where you go to make money, not something where you go to show off your skills, not something where you go to present your art. Obviously you can do all of that through YouTube somehow, but the main focus of that platform isn't making money or things like that. And I think this is a very big realization for me, and this realization is very important to me because now I'm planning to change a lot of stuff. I feel like I had lost myself is sare, making money, making better videos and making quality videos and stuff like that. But now I realized that this is not what I want to do. I personally do not feel happy. I personally do not feel proud of the videos I make. Even if, I'm able to make good quality videos, I wasn't feeling happy with what I was creating. So that's why I've decided that up se I'm going to make content, that can add value to people's life, that basically everyone can watch. And it might be different from the content I was doing before. It might be different from tech. Obviously, मैं tech videos तो नहीं छोड़ूंगा, but it will somehow, I will try my best to somehow, make content that everyone can somehow connect to, everyone can somehow enjoy. And videos, I want to make videos that can add value to people's lives, and that's what I want to do for now. I really don't have a direction for my channel abhi bhi. I am not exactly sure मैंने क्या करना है. I obviously know कि I want to make videos for you people, but I do not know कि मुझे आगे क्या करना है. So I'd really appreciate if you guys could give suggestions and stuff कि मैं क्या बनाऊँ. I know a little bit कि I should at least start with sharing my experience and stuff, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखी हैं. So I can share that, and I'm sure they will add value to at least someone who's trying to go on the similar path as me, like freelancing and YouTube and stuff. अगर कोई भी इस line में आ रहा है तो they might be able to learn a lot from what I share. Also, I do know कि साथ साथ थोड़ा बहुत smartphones का content भी आएगा, because honestly यार I love using my phones. इस वीडियो के स्टार्ट से अंदाज़ा खुद ही हो गया होगा कि I really do love my phones and the stuff, the things I can do on my phone. It's really like a whole world in the phone. So I really enjoy using my phone. So I will still keep making videos about what I do on my phone and stuff like that. But I will try new things. I will explore new genres and stuff. When I'm using my phone, तो a lot of people, especially my parents, think कि मैं अपना time waste कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपनी health खराब कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपनी आँखें खराब कर रहा हूँ and stuff like that. And that's true, but there's a lot more to it as well. I cannot tell what I'm experiencing in the moment, but yeah, it's really important to me, and it's really like a whole world in there. And so that's why I'm going to consume more content, and I'm going to create more, and I'm going to try out new things. I will no longer, make quality the first main focus. It's more about you guys. It's more about the people who are watching the videos. And it should be more about, myself, my personality, and it should be more about what I like making, rather than just, trying to, create improving the quality and stuff like that. So yeah, I really appreciate each and every one of you who watches my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you who comments on my videos, who likes my videos, who shares my videos, everyone, who has supported me. There are a lot of you guys there, and I really appreciate the support. And the small little milestone means a lot to me, and this is something that is very important to me. So yeah, thanks a lot for being here. Thanks a lot for watching these videos. This really means a lot to me. Peace and Assalamu alaikum.